Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set TV up next display to still frame or poster art on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on TV. Next, scroll down and in the Device Preferences section, tap on Up Next Display. From here, you can choose to display a still frame or poster art. And instead here, choose the Show All Movie Art display in your Up Next. Still frame shows a pose image from what's playing. Poster art will show the promotion title images. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.